So we're out here getting ready for the summer. We started our garden. This one is cucumber. Those are collard greens, kale, tomato, 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 tomato. These are jalapeno peppers, sweet peppers, and more tomatoes here. We're just getting the backyard ready for summer. There's a lot of bees flying around because it's we got some organic soil this time, and they really love the smell of it. They really love it. And this is the swing. We got the swing set up, the swing canopy set up. I'm missing a cover for that one pillow, which is cool. I'm fine with it. We got our little honey bird feeder set up. I'm really praying I can see some honeybirds this summer because last summer I only seen one. And these are my flowers. This one here had a face, and it was supposed to be like a girl, a woman with glasses on. It was really cute last summer. I'm going to give her a face again. You see her arms and her two legs. So I have another shepherd's hook here. I got to figure out what I'm going to do with that one. Robert cut the grass today, but this is a fire pit that he bought last summer. No, 2 summers ago. We're going to burn some wood tonight in there. Well, we're going to burn those trees, those little branches over there tonight to get rid of what's in there already. We got the chairs set up, some of them anyway. Well, 2 of them. There's an umbrella that goes to this table here. And we have this little old table we're going to get rid of. We have 2 grills out here. This one's Gino's. That one's me and Robert. And this one also is ours. This is a smoker that Robert just had to have for his birthday about 4 years ago. But he's only used it once. Literally once. He just had to have it. Just had to have it. Anyhow, we have some more chairs here with cushions in the garage. It's just a different view. We're just trying to get the backyard together so we can enjoy the backyard this summer. And this one here, I have flowers in there. And that one is gonna just grow and be beautiful. Different colors.